In this episode, we will talk about new upcoming GoPro Hero 13 leaks, features, and release date. The upcoming GoPro Hero 13 is gearing up to revolutionize action photography with a host of exciting features. It's all about top-notch video quality, offering 5K video recording at 30 frames per second and 4K video at an impressive 120 frames per second. Expect your photos to shine with an improved resolution of up to 20 megapixels. Navigating through the device is made simple with voice control, ensuring easy operation on the go. Enhanced image stabilization takes your capture game to the next level, promising shake-free moments. The Hero 13 isn't just about capturing incredible footage, but also ensuring longevity with increased battery life. Dive into adventures confidently with waterproofing capabilities up to 10 meters. Although no official leaks have surfaced, expectations for the Hero 13 specifications include 5K video recording at 30 Hz, 4K at 120 Hz, improved photo resolution of up to 32 megapixels, enhanced image stabilization, increased battery life, and waterproofing up to 10 meters. Amid the AI excitement, Google showcased its advanced Pixel 8 lineup, highlighting its upgraded AI capabilities. Following suit, Samsung unveiled its Galaxy S24 series, introducing what it terms Galaxy AI, with its own set of impressive AI features. Most Hero users want an improved low-light capture, a factor that could potentially move users towards competitors like DJI and Insta360. Users wish for a GoPro Hero 13 camera with a smoother, lag-free interface. They want the camera to be more intuitive, ensuring a frustration-free experience. While eager fans await the GoPro Hero 13, there is still uncertainty regarding its release date. The industry anticipates a launch sometime in September 2024, aligning with GoPro's typical annual release schedule. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.